Hi guys, this is Prabhat Kumar from Rapid Visual Returns, and we were doing object-oriented programming. The name of the problem this time around is iterate over all properties. So we have to iterate over all the properties that there are. So there are two types of property. First one is called own property, and second one is called prototype property. Own property are defined like within the function here, and prototype properties are like different properties. They are a little bit different, right? So we have to check if one property is own property or not, and if it is an own property, so we have then at that point we have to put that property into own props array, and if they are prototype properties, then we put them in prototype props. So let's just do it here. So what we will do is we'll iterate over all the properties. So it is gonna be for let property in what is the uh, beagle, right? Beagle, right? So at this point now we check if dog if beagle has its own property. So beagle dot has own property property, and if it has its own property, we'll check for each property, right? So if it has its own property, then we will put this into own props, right, and push the property. Now if the condition fails, right, so in the else part at this point we will push the rest of the code and rest of the properties into prototype props. So prototype props, uh, and at this point we need to push it into here, right? So we do this, and let's just console.log to check if this is correct. So this isn't what we have to necessarily do, but we can do it, right? So you can see that it has its own its prototype property is numlex here, and its own property is name. So let's test it out. This alright. So this I cannot pronounce, can I? Now I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.